For this juice, you will need 3 medium-sized oranges, peeled, then 1 grapefruit, it's pretty big one. Then you will need 2 apples. I picked green apples because they're not very sweet. I like to do this juice in the morning. Has a lot of vitamin C. It's gonna help wake your body up. I add grapefruit because I don't like very sweet juices, and when you just do oranges and apples, it gets pretty sweet. So if you want a sweet juice, then you don't have to put grapefruit, but I like a little bit of bitterness in my juice from grapefruit. So here we go. Alright, all set. Beautiful color. Let's pour it into the cup. Alright, let's see. Is it good? Try it. Вкусно?
Да.
Yummy?
Да.